Superstar Salman Khan is presently in Austria with his former lover Katrina Kaif, with whom he is shooting for Ali Abbas Zafar's Tiger Zinda Hai. The Dabangg Khan shared the first look of himself and Katrina yesterday, and we must say that it did take our breath away. The two looked absolutely stunning, with Katrina looking amazing in a pink off-shoulder gown, while Salman looked the ever-attentive gentleman in a black coat and a bow to match. The two share an amazing chemistry and the picture is priceless indeed. Don't you think so? Netizens are in a tizzy ever since this picture was posted, and comments of appreciation have been pouring in like a tsunami. Sister Arpita Khan Sharma too couldn't help herself and made an official announcement: they are back. Gorgeousness at its best. Well, so is love in the air of Austria for Salman and Katrina? Let us know what you think by commenting in the section below. Tragedy has struck the Bachchan household with the demise of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's father, Krishna Raj Rai, who succumbed to cancer on Saturday. While the entire film fraternity rushed to express their condolences, there was one person who was conspicuous by his absence. Yes, you guessed it right. Salman Khan, the former lover of beauty queen Aishwarya, had given the prayer meeting a miss. We wonder if he still holds a grudge against the late Krishna Raj Rai for putting an end to their relation. The Salman-Ash love story ended on a very bitter note, with Salman accusing her father of causing the breakup, while Aishwarya too confirmed that her father was miffed with Salman's behavior and hence asked his daughter to put an end to the relationship. While Salman did graciously accept Aishwarya's decision, it now seems that in his heart of hearts, he never forgave her father for what happened. While Salman did graciously accept Aishwarya's decision, it now seems that in his heart, he still had some grudges. Do you think his absence hints at this? Or is he simply caught up with his shooting commitments for Tiger Zinda Hai? Share your views by commenting in the section below. The new mommy of B-Town, Kareena Kapoor Khan, seems to be enjoying her motherhood to the fullest extent and is trying her level best to be with her little one as much as she can. The new parents, Saif and Kareena, had even tried to ensure that at least one of them is always around the little one. But it now seems that Bebo is caught between the love of her son and the love of her husband. Saif is presently in London shooting for his upcoming film Chef, and it seems that wifey Kareena is missing him already. We recently spotted Kareena at the international airport with her little bundle of joy. Maybe that's the reason she seemed quite dull and worried. This is the first time that Kareena will be traveling overseas without her son, and we wonder if baby Taimur will soon follow suit and travel to Europe to reunite with his family. Do share your comments on Kareena leaving Taimur behind by commenting in the section below. Fans of Salman are indeed a crazy lot. Pining for him forever, Salman, who is presently in Austria shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, the sequel to the espionage thriller Ek Tha Tiger, seems to be having a great fan base here. While it was common sight for fans to drop in at his sets way back in India, the scene was no different in Austria. Fans often throng the sets of the film in Austria, and even when Salman is off shoot, he is often requested to pose for selfies and share autographs. Here we have yet another fan moment where Salman is seen posing with a fan from Austria. It's barely been a couple of days since the shooting has commenced, and we already have a vast collection of Salman and his fans posing for selfies. This only shows that Salman is one of the most loved stars. We do know that Ali Abbas Zafar is directing Salman's upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, here is a share from Ali himself and captioned as "Action begins in Tiger Zinda Hai." You see a calm screen and then the hero in action on a snow sled. Though the volume is not much, we can sense the intensity and the aggression with which the video has been taken. Tiger Zinda Hai is a spy thriller and has Salman and Katrina in the lead. With the duo being more and more popular, one after the breakup with Ranbir and two after a recent photo shoot shared from the sets in Austria, the bonding is unmistakably an attraction. And then these stunts, which incidentally are being supervised by Hollywood expert Tom Struthers, all make sure fans go gaga about Khan Bhai. Do let us know what you feel after watching this video. It's been a decade since Salman started gifting his handmade paintings with his family members. His 6 by 10 feet wall portrait still adorns sister Arpita Khan Sharma's walls, and a life-size portrait of two lovers is the prized possession of his good friend Kareena Kapoor Khan. Earlier, an ardent fan expressed the desire to acquire Salman's portrait of a mother and son locked in an embrace, but Salman thought that the price of 20 lakh was too less. The same painting then fetched 1 crore and proceeds were invested in the Being Human Foundation. When more offers followed suit, Salman decided to sell some of his paintings to fund his charitable ventures. Now, isn't this a great idea? Let us know what you think by commenting in the section below. This poster of Tiger Zinda Hai made by a fan went viral on social media. Yes, for all those who thought that the poster is out, here is the news that it has been made by a fan. You all would be well aware that Salman is getting ready with his upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai to be released in December 2017. He's shooting in Austria with Katrina, and we are also seeing pictures uploaded with his fans. Salman has left strict instructions not to share the details of the shoot on social media. However, fans are thronging to see the actor and also been seen clicking pictures with him. With Salman busy with his films, we sure dig the poster that fans have made. How about you? Do let us know what you feel about this poster, which is made by fans especially for their bhaijan. Superstar Salman Khan is presently in Austria with his former lover Katrina Kaif, with whom he is shooting for Ali Abbas Zafar's Tiger Zinda Hai. The Dabangg Khan shared the first look of himself and Katrina yesterday, and we must say that it did take our breath away. The two looked absolutely stunning, with Katrina looking amazing in a pink off-shoulder gown, while Salman looked the ever-attentive gentleman in a black coat and a bow to match. The two share an amazing chemistry and the picture is priceless indeed. Don't you think so? Netizens are in a tizzy ever since this picture was posted, and comments of appreciation have been pouring in like a tsunami. Sister Arpita Khan Sharma too couldn't help herself and made an official announcement: they are back. Gorgeousness at its best. Well, so is love in the air of Austria for Salman and Katrina? Let us know what you think by commenting in the section below. This morning, we showed you an after-shoot wrap-up picture of Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, that may be the only one you could see for long, for Bhaijan has disallowed sharing any picture of his upcoming flick. That is so sad, for Salman is the most sought-after star when it comes to a new movie. Yes, and fans do eagerly wait for all the updates from the film camp. However, Sallu has said no sharing of pictures, and this indeed means we would see less of Sallu and Kat together. Salman would also be wrapping up with his upcoming Tube Light, which indeed is a fascinating one with Salman in a different look. This is with the Chinese star Suzu, and we are oh so keen to watch the flick. Aren't you sad that you cannot see the Tigers in the head pictures? Well, even by this time, the fracas between Kapil Sharma and Sunil Grover never seems to end. Now the two have parted ways and Kapil has hired 2 more comedy actors in the loop. Yes, Raju Srivastava and Ehsan Qureshi have been considered to fill in the role left by Sunil and Chandan and Ali Asghar. Yes, it is only sad that these things happen. Readers and viewers would well be aware that on their way back from the Australian tour, the three had an argument and Kapil was totally drunk. Apparently, he abused Sunil or Dr. Mashur Gulati a lot, and Sunil took the drastic step of not being part of the show. The show must go on and Dr. Mashhoor would be replaced by these newcomers. Well, it is not entirely up to the audience if they choose to like the change or not. But for now, Kapil's show is surely in the burner. So Nawazuddin Siddiqui is no longer seen in parties. Do you know the reason why? Well, the actor himself has said that he is not comfortable in the party ambience and feels out of place. So Sallu has stopped inviting him. Well, if Nawaz himself is not interested, then no one can do anything about it. Hai na? As for Nawaz, well, he is happy with roles that he is getting in movies opposite Salman Shah Rukh. In Rais, he won a lot of accolades for his wonderful performance. Siddiqui's scene with Salman in the epic Bajrangi Bhaijaan sure hit the right pot of gold in Bollywood and today is quite busy with most of his films. As for Nawaz, well, it is all about talent and acting and parties. How about you? What do you feel about Nawaz's unique take on parties? Do you feel they really work? Alright, for those who always had doubts about Salman, the Sultan of Bollywood, here is yet another endorsement which only shows how fond of Raveena the superstar is. Yes, Salman, known as a friend to many, is also a good friend of Raveena Tandon, who claims he took her out of sport whenever she was one. All this and more would be seen in the upcoming Saturday episode of My Life, My Story. Patthar Ke Phool, the first movie in which the two starred, was a break for Raveena, who went on to making many more movies. Well, we do know how patronizing Salman is, and when it comes to old friends, then nothing like it. Raveena, famous for some of her great movies, is surely a happy woman with the full support of none other than Salman Khan. Whoa, way to go, girl. Well, this is big news. Sallu and Kat are together again. But wait, before you conclude any further, we would like to tell you that Salman announced it as they are back together in Tiger Zinda Hai, his upcoming movie. Salman and Katrina have just wrapped up a shoot of Dil Diya Galla, and this picture is maybe straight out of the song. Salman had issued a diktat that nothing about his shoot should be shared, so we are only sharing whatever tidbits we are getting from Bhai himself. Salman was also busy posing for fans while on the Austria shoot, and we admire Bhai's patience with his fans when it comes to making things work the way they should. Salman is also coming up with his Eid release Tube Light, and things are looking really interesting for all Salman fans. The picture of Salman and Katrina, which was captioned as getting back together by Bhai, really is reason enough for Salman's girl to get jealous. Just last week, we told you how Lulia is not able to handle Sallu's closeness with Katrina. Yes, Katrina is with Salman in Austria for Tiger Zinda Hai, but Lulia is not too comfortable about it. At least her fans are not happy seeing the first look of Tiger Zinda Hai, where Salman and Katrina are looking into each other's eyes. We all do know that Katrina went running to Salman when she broke off with Ranbir, and if they are getting back together, then there would be a section of people also welcoming it. Katrina and Salman were a hit in the thriller Ek Tha Tiger, and now with the sequel coming up, we sure are eager to know how it is gonna turn out to be. Meanwhile, we also wonder how Lulia is able to handle all this. Hai na? Fans in Egypt were thrilled when the teaser of Salman Khan's Sultan was launched in theatres in Cairo, and their delight was uncontainable. The entire theatre was in an uproar as Salman Khan in his Sultan avatar appeared on the big screen. Later, fans were seen lining the streets with placards and banners, cajoling Salman Khan to visit Egypt. It was as if an air of festivities prevailed, and each one was eager to send their message to their dear Chulbul Pandey Salman Khan. Salman's fan following has really reached across the globe, and it seems that in this world of differences, the love for Salman is one unifying factor that bonds people. Meanwhile, Salman is presently in Austria where he is shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai. But despite his pressing schedule, he does manage to find time to spend with his fans. Still, we wonder if Tiger will plan a trip to Egypt soon. What do you think? Tiger Zinda Hai is the next Salman movie with Katrina, and just this morning we shared a picture of the two stars lost in each other's eyes. Yes, and Salman captioned it as them getting back together. Well, not in real life, but in real life for Tiger Zinda Hai. The movie being shot in Austria has Salu and Katrina back again, and Ali Abbas is directing it. With Kabir's Ek Tha Tiger's sequel really making a mark with the first song Dil Diya Kala being wrapped up, everything is exciting for the fans. We sure would love to see Kat and Salman back in real life, but of course that is not going to happen soon. But we sure would like to ask you which is the first look that you dig. Is that of Ek Tha Tiger or is it Tiger Zinda Hai?